missing. All I wanna do is keep it real with you, pimpin', baby. Long as you don't switch up when you blow and get your millions.
So we're just gonna get straight into the video. So the first thing I do is detangle my hair. I just had my hair in a slick back style with a lot of gel. So I'm trying to brush out that hard gel in my hair. You can literally see all the gel flakes flying everywhere. And I actually should not be doing this on dry hair, but I wanted my hair to be in a stretch state. So I just decided to work the brush from the bottom of my hair to the roots. Literally having to dust all these gel flakes off my shirt. So nasty. But now I'm just going to use my hard brush to kind of just form a neater ponytail. And because my hair is stretched out, this is an easier step. Now I'll be using my olive oil Eco Style gel, and I'll just be spreading that all along my hair to give it a sleek look. Now because my hair was previously in a ponytail, it's much easier for me to sleek my hair down versus if my hair was still in like a curly state. Now I use a good amount of gel around the entire perimeter of my hair, but the amount of gel you use is completely up to your discretion. So if you don't want to use a lot, don't. If you feel like you need to use more than I did, please feel free to. So I'm gonna keep it real. Now while I love my new camera, the battery life is trash. So you will see me switching over from my camera to my phone. But now I'm going to be using a soft brush to just kind of brush down my edges so that I can fleek my baby hair separately. And then I'm going to be using the soft brush to just sleek down the remainder of my hair. The hard brush is good for forming your ponytail neatly, and the soft brush is good for creating a sleek effect. Usually I use Edge Boost and Got To Be to sleek down my edges, but I was being lazy and didn't feel like getting my Edge Boost. So I just used my Got To Be, and I used my Edge Brush and Edge Comb combo to just form the swoop of my edges. And if any of you guys would be interested in a detailed baby hair fleeky edges tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. I'm looking at my edges like that because I knew I could have done them better, but oh well. I'm using some 1B braiding hair that I ordered off Amazon, being as though none of the beauty supply stores are opened in my area. And I actually really like this braiding hair because it definitely mimics my natural hair texture. I'm going to use the rubber band that's already on the braiding hair and just wrap it around my ponytail. But I do suggest you guys creating a bun prior to doing this. I ended up braiding my hair and putting it into a bun after I had attached the braiding hair to my hair. So you can do it either way, but I just feel like it would have been easier had I created my bun first. I'm going to separate the braiding hair into 2 sections and twirl one section until it gets all the way to the bottom of the braiding hair. Once I've done that, I'm going to twirl that section around the bun that I already created with my natural hair and just place the braiding hair on top of each other and secure it all together with bobby pins. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the second section of hair, twirling it till it gets to the bottom and then wrapping it around the other way. Now I think it would be best to wrap it around the bottom, but as you can see, I kind of just started wrapping it around everywhere because the braiding hair was so thick. Now here I'm just adding a few more bobby pins in places where I see some hair is sticking up, where I want to form the bun better. And this doesn't hurt because I'm putting the bobby pins in the bun and not close to my scalp. You can play with your bun and form it as you would desire, but this is my MULAN inspired bun tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you guys in my next video.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me?